Hello there! How's everyone? Greetings from Rancho Cucamonga, California, US of A. I'm VHEN BAUTISTA, aka Chino, Romero of California, and here's a beautiful song popularized by Dan Hill. I hope you guys like it. I'd like to thank Idol Cora Javier of Vienna, Austria for everything. Finally, nag-meet na rin kami ng aking kapartner sa SMU. Sa aming mga follower ng aming tandem, maraming salamat po. And I'd like to say, napakabait ni Idol Cora. Kaya yung mga supporters namin, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa video, ganun din in person. Once again, thank you so much, Idol Cora, for everything. Hindi kami makakabayad ng aking asawa. Thank you. Good luck. And more power. Here's a song, Sometimes When We Touch.
Ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Romance and all its tragedy leaves me battling with my pride. But through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my truth. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I like to break you and drive you to your knees. At times I like to break through and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you tried. I've watched while love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by. At times I think we're drifters, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion fares again. Oh, sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. till the fear in me subsides.
Thanks for watching.